Hello and welcome to Academic AI. In this video, we will show you how to use our class newsletter tool to create and send weekly updates to the families of the students. To access the tool, you have to first click on class newsletter tool on this section on the website. Once you click on it, you only have to enter three details. The first one being the important announcement. Here, you must type what information you want to convey to the parents, okay? What announcement? So let's say here, I want to tell them that students from our school have outshined in the science exhibition, okay? Now, celebrations from the week, it means, was there anything, any specific highlight that you want to add? Yes, I would want to add that 4 students have been chosen for the state level exhibition. All right. Now, additional content. Anything else? Yes, I want to add that in the next level, the chief guest will be the DIG of the place. All right, that is it. Now I will simply click on generate, and within seconds, our AI will generate a polished newsletter that keeps families informed about the classroom activities. And here we are. I hope you can see that how it has given us a crisp, polished content, right? Great. I hope you use it. So thanks for watching. Try our classroom newsletter tool today at Academic AI and keep the students' families connected with ease. Happy informing!